And coronavirus needs no introduction. We all know the outbreak of it, and we know how people are taking precautions. But I want to share the way which I feel is the best way to keep ourselves, cautious about this virus, because it's easily contaminated. So especially working women's and working men's and school-going children's need to boost their immunity system that can help them to stop getting contaminated through such viruses. So here I'm sharing one such recipe that can help you to boost your immune system with some particular foods which are rich in vitamin C, P and E, and these are rich in antioxidant and really very helpful to boost your health. So let's begin with the recipe, guys. To make this soup, we will be using some fruits and vegetables which are of vitamin C, P and E. Here I have some vegetables and fruits. Let me just show you. I'm also using spinach. I'm using Fenugreek spinach. You can use any other spinach which is good for cold especially. We'll start with cleaning the garlic pots and chopping off the ginger. Ingredients list in the description box, guys, so do have a look at the description box. Next I will chop coriander leaves, celery, mint leaves and the spinach which I told you. It's Fenugreek spinach. I have washed my pot in a nice hot water and I'm going to add the ingredients to it. Once I add the ingredients, I'll move on to the next. Here I have beetroot and carrot, which I will be peeling it off and grating it. Once I grate it, I'll add that also to the pot. Moving on next, I will use a broccoli. Broccoli is very rich in vitamin C, B and E. So I'm just going to roughly chop it along with tomatoes and bell peppers or capsicum, any you can use. So I'm using bell peppers. So add this to the pot and add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of black peppercorns and rosemary for nice essence, and then water. Here I'll be adding at least 5 to 6 glasses of water, because when I start boiling it, I want to reduce the water to half of its total quantity which I will be adding. So if I'm adding 6 glasses of water, I will be extracting minimum 3 to 4 glasses of drink from this vegetable broth. So now I'll just gently tap my veggies and then add the water to it. I will not add salt now. Before cooking in the vegetables, I will not add the salt. So let the vegetable cook on a medium to high flame for 20 to 30 minutes or until the water is reduced to half. I think the veggies are beautifully tender and they are cooked very well, and the water has reduced to half. Now it's the time to add the salt. Using a wooden smasher or a steel smasher, anything which is comfortable, just smash the veggies lightly to ensure that the juices are very well reduced. And after 5 minutes, using a strainer or a drainer, just drain the broth from it and remove the drainer from there, the strain or drain, whatever you use it, and place it back onto the same pot and try to smash out the veggies to remove the excess broth from the vegetables. And to the same pot, add the broth which you have collected. So we'll just need to slightly give it a boil. Now bring this to a boil on a very medium to high flame. Add some chopped spring onions to it. Grate some black peppercorns, or you can also use black peppercorn powder. Here I'm using a half lemon juice because it gives a nice flavor to your drink, and a little bit of basil, oregano and thyme because they have their own health benefits. If you have, you add, otherwise you can skip, no problem. You can add ajwain to it if you want. And after 10 minutes of boiling, my drink is ready to be served. So I'm going to serve this drink to my family. Hope you guys have this drink, prepare it and have it. This recipe needs very simple ingredients, very easy to make. All you have to do is just chop it, put it, boil it, drain it and drink it, guys. So drink this every day or at least twice in a week to boost your immune system and to fight against not only coronavirus but also any kind of health disease. It can help you in heart disease, it can help you in gout attack disease, it can help you in coronavirus or any kind of common cold virus. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned.